Do you need circular polarising filters for your camera, phone, or your drone? Or are they just another money-making cash cow? Well, in today's video, I'm hopefully going to shed some light on that for you and help you decide which ones are best for you. Hey everyone, how you all doing? Hope you're all tickety-boo. So the other day, one of my subscribers called Curtis asked if I could do a comparison test with the CPL filters at full strength and when they have no polarisation and with no filter on them at all. And that's probably because it's something to do with there being a new DJI drone out this week, isn't there? And it's probably going to be called the DJI Mini 4 Pro. What do you think? And if it is, then you might want to check this channel back later, because I'll be getting one. Also, I was watching one of Sam Holland's videos on CPLs the other day, and I found it interesting that you can use them for other things rather than just reducing reflections on water and windows. For example, taking the shine off your face, and that's some of the things that he was showing on there. So thanks, Sam, for the top tips, but then again, I'm not surprised that you give us top tips, because you always bloody well do. So in a minute, I'll share some clips of this little beauty here, flying over some water at different angles, with different settings, etc. And then if you're interested in seeing a bit more about this, then there'll be longer clips at the end of the video. So first off, as you probably know, CPL filters are designed to help reduce glare and reflections off of shiny surfaces like water and windows, but you don't always need them. And it's down to your own personal taste at the end of the day, your own personal preference. But because I do a lot of flying over water, they are bloody essential for me. Secondly, when you use them, it's not just a case of putting them on, you have to adjust them to get them right. Let me show you how to do it on the Mavic 3 Pro filter. When you've got them at full strength, you need to line up these white lines just like this. And for no polarisation, you basically rotate it 180 degrees round. And it's as simple as that. Okay, so let's check out some footage I filmed. This is normal colour profile as well, just for ease, to show you the difference between it rather than doing log ones and then colour grading them afterwards. And like I said, there's going to be some longer clips of different angles and some more shots at the end of the video. There you go. Nice, short, simple video today, isn't it? Let me know, what do you think? Did it make a difference to you? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you've got any questions whatsoever, leave them down there as well. And if you found this one useful in any way, shape or form, you know what to do, all that usual stuff on YouTube. And I would strongly recommend that you check out these videos over here with further top tips on drones and ND filters, and don't forget the longer clips at the end of this one are coming up in a minute. And thanks for watching, everybody. Remember, keep creating, keep having fun, and above all, just keep smiling. See ya.